The Waccamaw River in North and South Carolina has a rich history that includes Native American settlements, rice plantations, and Civil War sites. The river was also an important shipping route for Georgetown to inland plantations and settlements in the state's northeast. Here are some highlights from the river's history. Boundary dispute. In 1729, British officials declared the river would be part of the boundary between North and South Carolina. The dispute was resolved in 1735, with South Carolina keeping Waccamaw Neck and the Grand Strand. Rice plantations. The river's lower reaches had a delta-like environment that was ideal for rice cultivation in the 1700s, and 1800s planters relied on enslaved Africans and their descendants to cultivate and process the crop, which was labor-intensive. After the Civil War, the federal government seized some of the large plantations, and new laws created a free labor market. This led to a decline in the rice industry. Black water system. The river is a black water system, which means it has naturally low dissolved oxygen levels. The river's dark color comes from pigments like tannins that leach from wetlands in the Lumber River's watershed. The Waccamaw River also offers many recreational opportunities, including boating, fishing, and hiking.
Ibang klase rin yung pag-fishing nila dito. Ayan, nag-fishing yung dalawa. Ganda ng view. Ang ganda naman ng view dito. Ang nakikita mo lang. Ayan, nice siya. Ano naman yung table. Ang laki mo. Pugad ng table.
Their wings.
Oh wow, this is great. Napakaganda na yan. Oh wow. Ayan, sumiikot tayo para may makita tayong ano dito. Mga turtles, minsan yung mga alligator. Meron din ibang group dito. Ayan sila. Nag-tuition. Ayan, nag-tuition sila guys. Nakikita tayong photo guys. Nagpapaaral. Ayan, babalik naman tayo sa ibang area naman. So, kung makikita nyo dyan, yan yung tulay. Punta naman tayo sa ibang area.
Voting back and forth, Lorian was popular with the ship still had a ship since.
Pwede ka rin dito magbenta na pagkayak. So, nakikinig na lang tayo kung mas mas provide. Ayan, natatanong kasi tayo. Nagbenta yun sila ng kayak. So, kailangan minturing ko. Kasi ito kasi dito. Ang mga nag-kayak. So, meron yung sikete ninyo. Lalo na yung naiwas nila yung malalaki na kailangan dahan-dahan lang yung
Nice to have the fallback.
paano nila ng mga boat. Kasi bawal talaga. Ayan, mga pinaparentahan niya ang mga condo. So, pwede gusto niyo magrenta, nandyan yan. Hintayin natin na kahit itan na super. Meron kami kasama na phantom. Makikita niyo ang dami nila. Makikita niyo natin yung dami. Pero ang dami nila. So yun, makikinig lang tayo sa sinasabi ng tour guide.
Everything.
Yung beach. Ayan. Then, pwede kayong maglakad dyan. Nag-walk dyan. Pwede rin dito ng jet ski. Maraming pwedeng gawin dito. Ito yung mga sensyon namin. Maganda ko lang dito ng hindi na dito. Ng unang panahon nila dito nila dinadaan yung mga produkto nila kagaya ng mga matinis at saka mga peanut. Kasi hindi na nila ito ginagamit nila, inabando na nila yung area. Pero preserve nila ito para sa mga tourist. At kung makikita nyo dyan, ayan, yung mga lumulutang na parang water lily siya. So, kaya marami dito na umiikot ang so, ayan, so parang putal na talaga yung tulay. Pero talaga, piniserve nila para sa mga